Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can use the SG Optimizer plugin to see the speed of your website, how you can analyze it, and it's very easy to do. So let me go over to the WordPress dashboard of my website, as you can see over here. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to the SG Optimizer, and that's installed by default if you use SiteGround hosting. So this plugin is only available if you are using SiteGround. So click on it. Over here you can see this option in the menu at the bottom below the SG Optimizer options. You can see speed test. So of course you need to click on speed test. Now you see this screen over here, and over here you can see that the device type is set to desktop. The main URL of the website already has been filled in, so in this case it's the websiterunninglab.com URL. So if you want to see the speed and the performance of this website, you have to click on Analyze. So let's do that. Now you have to wait a couple of seconds. And over here you can see the Google score, it's 96, and that would be the score that you can see if you use the Google speed test on their website. I've made a separate tutorial on how to use that, but it's related to that score. You can see the page load time 0.7 seconds, and the time to first byte it's 195 milliseconds. It is possible to reach the maximum score, but then you would have to rely on a premium paid plugin in combination with the SG Optimizer, but I don't use that, so I only use the free tools that I have available, and I'm pretty satisfied with the score because before I have done all the optimizations this was way lower, so that's good. And last thing I want to mention in this video is that if you want to see the score for the mobile device type, then you can just select mobile and then hit analyze, and then you will see the score appears over here. My advice is just use this for a quick overview, but if you really want some more details and suggestions on how to optimize your website, then you should use the Google speed test, because over there will be a lot of more information available that is relevant to the scores that are achieved. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to smash the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And with that being said, hope to see you back again in the next one.